All right, guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the week in review for the week ending February 6th, 2021. This is our third week at the wheel strategy. So let's pop over and see what happened this week. Let's take a look at our account first. So if you know from previous videos, we had positions in CGC, Canopy Growth, NCLH, which is Norwegian Cruise Lines, and GOLD Gold, which is Barrick Gold. And you can see we don't have position in Barrick Gold anymore. So we actually bought back our put that expired yesterday. So we don't have a position in Barrick Gold. So we'll be looking at establishing something new on Monday. But let's pop over our trade log and see what we did this week. So for this week, you can see we bought back our 36.50 put on Canopy Growth on Tuesday. We sold a $35 put on Tuesday as well. Expires next Friday. Collected 83 cents in premium. And if we go back over here to our account, you can see that CGC has been moving a lot. So CGC is up to $42.93. It was almost at $45 a few days ago. And because it's been running up, you can see we are almost at the point of buying back our put, which we're trying to buy it back for 17 cents. So that's likely to happen in the next day or two. So Monday or Tuesday, we'll probably buy back that put and then be looking to establish another position, probably sell another put on that day. So that's our plan for CGC. And we go back to the trade log. Let's see, let's get back over to GOLD Gold. So this is Barrick Gold. Here you can see we bought back both of our $22 puts for 5 cents. And we need to create a new position in Barrick Gold. So how about we pop back over to our account view. We'll take a look and see what are the options look like for next week. So let's click on trade, gold. And the option expirations that we can take a look at, if we look at February 12th, that'll be about 5 days to expiration when we establish that, and according to our rules, we want something 5 to 10 days out. So we might do February 12th, or we might take a look at the February 19th expiration. So we look at the 12th first. We want to sell around a 30 delta option and try to get at least 1%. So 30 delta, really don't have a 30 delta. We have 36 delta here for 23 to 25 cents. So we could probably get it for 24 cents. Stock is at $22, so that's 1%. We could do that. And then we'd collect about $48 right around there for that option. The other option choice here would be the option expiring on the 19th. So that's about 2 weeks. On Monday, it'll be about 11 days. And here you can see the 29 delta is 29 to 33 cents, or we could even go up to the 41 delta and collect a lot more. So a lot of options, no pun intended, for the coming week for gold. I'm kind of leaning towards the 2150 strike here. Gold's been going down recently, so this would give us a little more room to the downside, and the strike price at 21.50. So that's what we'll probably look at on Monday, is selling the February 19th expiration 2150 put. Okay. So then the other stock we have is Norwegian Cruise Lines. So if we look at our log for Norwegian Cruise Lines, last week, if you remember, we got assigned the stock. So we actually bought the stock for $24 a share. And then on Monday, we sold 2 puts. We got 55 cents for one and 57 cents for the other. Why did we get 2 different prices? I made an error when I entered the order in, so I only had 1 contract. So I had to sell another one for the other contract. So these options are for the 2450 strike. So if the stock is above 2450 on Friday the 12th, which is this coming Friday, and it is above 2450 now, the stock will get called away from us. So these we'll get to keep the premium for these. So we'll still keep the $112 that we collected, but we will sell the stock for $24.50. So we will get a capital gain of $100 for the stock. And we'll just let that play out all week. Nothing to do with Norwegian Cruise Lines until possibly Friday. Depends on what the stock price is. So that is the review of all 3 of our positions. We might have something to do with Canopy Growth on Monday. We will definitely sell some puts on Barrick Gold on Monday. And then if we look at our position overall, total results so far, this is for 2021, but this is only our 3rd week. So we really started about midway through January. And you can see here, we have collected $617 in option premium. And assuming a stock price, which is the current price, you can see here, we have reduced our cost basis for all of those positions. And our current balance, our net lick, if we look at our account, let's go back over to our account view. You can see right here the net lick is over $8,000, and that is what our account's worth if we sold everything and went back to cash. So this is the account balance if we sold everything. And we started with $7,500. So we were up almost $600 on our overall account position, which is a return on equity of 7.6% since we started. So not bad for about 3 weeks. So this is the week in review. If you like what we're doing, please click on that like button, subscribe so that you don't miss any of the action. We have channels for each of the different positions, so you can follow those channels and follow along with every trade we make. And again, let me remind everybody, as always, the content here is for information and entertainment purposes only. You need to do your own homework and you make your own investment decisions. Don't just go and invest in an equity or other investment instrument because you saw somebody do it on YouTube. Make your own investment decisions, and happy trading.